Vlogmas Day 4. These are all the kalat that we have to deal with. Napakarami po natin PR kit na hindi ko pa alam kung paano i-address. We still have a few more right there. We have the Bohol vlog so we need to edit. We have all the support tickets that's pending because hindi kinakaya ng isa lang ang admin natin na naka-duty. But we will catch up. On top of that, guys, naiirita ako dito sa mga uban kong sumpa. Nagdalawang kulay na ako sa Bohol, hindi kinakaya. But anyways, we're here, we're back, and we are grateful for ilang araw na pahinga kasama ang pamilya. First on the list, kailangan muna nating i-walk ulit ang dog. Ito talaga yung morning and afternoon routine namin ni Papski. But we took a break, and now we're back. So nakakatuwa lang kasi very happy ang Chocoy at saka ang Bambusaur. Nakapag-roam around na ulit sila sa kanilang ruta. Balik na tayo sa payak at payapang buhay. And sabi ko nga, while our wallets are almost empty, our social battery drained, our hearts feel full, and we now have new core memories with our family. At yun talaga yung pinakang importante sa lahat, ang biggest why namin mag-asawa. Tayo maligo. Subukan muna natin tong padala sa atin. 5-fold vitamin C without makeup cream. I don't know how to use this kasi it's in Chinese. Siya nga pala may naghahanap kami ng Chinese speaking dyan. In case may kilala kayo, pakitag naman ako, and then I also need to know their roots. Ay, ang ganda! Ay, ang ganda ng lalagyan. Panalo to. Pa to? After daw ng skincare, I can put a little bit here. Okay, let's try. Skin test muna tayo mga auntie. Lightweight siya, in fairness. Smells fresh. Let's try. Forehead, cheeks, nose. Walang white cast. And ang sabi, pwedeng ito na rin daw yung foundation. Okay din atake niya. Subukan natin siyang gamitin for the next couple of days. Lalagay ko rin siya dyan sa yellow basket.